Hi, I'm Peter Hine. I'm the president of Sons of the Revolution in the state of New York. We're here at City Hall Park in New York City. It's just south of City Hall and on Broadway. And we're about to begin our annual Flag Day Parade. This year we're commemorating the 246th anniversary of the Second Continental Congress adopting the American flag on June 14, 1777. And we have been doing this parade as Sons of the Revolution since 1916. Sons of the Revolution in the state of New York owns and operates Faunces Tavern Museum. Faunces Tavern is the oldest building in Manhattan. It's over 300 years old. It's where George Washington bade farewell to his officers. So in a few minutes, we'll be departing City Hall Park. We have a police escort down Broadway, Canyon of Heroes, and we're going to march down to Faunces Tavern and do our ceremony there. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm Jonathan. I'm the secretary of the Holland Society of New York. We were founded in 1885. We are a Dutch heritage and lineage society as well as a historical society. And our mascot is the beaver from the Dutch fur trade here in New York. Thank you. And we're looking forward to participating in today's Flag Day Parade.
Honored.
Thank you.
You're looking amazing, adorable. We're going to give flags on the way. Happy parade to you.
I'm representing Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War, Oliver Tilden Camp number 26, and honoring our ancestors who fought for the Union and to preserve the Union in the war. Proud to be here.
Yeah, we're all proud. Thank you so much.
Hello, welcome to Flag Day here in Lower Manhattan. We have multiple groups here, everywhere from the state of New York to the borough of Brooklyn. We have wonderful ladies over here, Brooklyn chapter, the DAR. We have the SAR, DAR. I'm an SAR member, as well as a local historian.
And you're using a uniform from the Revolution era.
Yeah, this would be the President's Guard. This is the President's colors.
It's a great chance for our cadets to get out and show their patriotism, especially here with all the kids from New York, from all over. The public schools in every borough is really a wonderful thing to see with the kids coming. It's really, wait till you see them march down the street. It'll be great.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
We're here at for Flag Day. We're Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War. We're a local camp that's here in New York City, and we really represent all the Civil War veterans and all the different Civil War ancestors that we had, and we're here to honor them today.
Thank you so much. Leatherlands.
And honorable families who are descendants of ancient honorable families of New Netherlands. We were here when the city was known as New Amsterdam. So we preceded the English to New York.
That's fabulous.
James Thomas, St. David's Society. We're the Welsh. I don't know if you can see it. The red dragon leads the way. So I've been in this parade quite a while, let's put it that way. Small country, small group of Welsh Americans, so I try to wave the flag literally whenever I can.
You're looking amazing. Happy Flag Day Parade.
The New York City Department of Sanitation Emerald Society Pipes and Drum Band.
All right, we can wait.
1976 Eldorado, it's the spirit of 76, okay? Anybody that needs a history lesson, just read this car and you know everything you need to know about our great country, okay?
Ah, that's fantastic. We're going to start any minute.
Okay.
you wanted. Okay, there you go.
Keep the banner a little tighter so they can read it.
the prairies to the ocean, white with foam. God bless America, our home, sweet home. God bless America, our home, sweet home.
Yay!